Bikin buat apa ni?
Testing video.
Testing. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Hi, and a very good morning to all of you. Today's lesson is a little bit different from the previous video. Today, I'm going to list down 10 words that are often pronounced incorrectly and are common mistakes that many English students make, especially us Malaysian. Please note that the pronunciation that some of these words are different from English accent since I am a Malaysian and English is my second language. Before we start, give this video a like, and if you're new to the channel,
welcome.
Consider subscribe. It's free. It's worth it.
Let's begin, shall we?
The first word, to pronounce this word, walk. Walk. Most people will say walk or walk. It's wrong. You must pronounce it without L. The L is silent. So, repeat after me. Walk. Walk. Good. Moving on to the second word. How do we pronounce this word? Okay, now repeat after me. Vegetable. It's not vegetable. Wrong. Okay, now repeat after me. It's like the E is silent. So it's going to be vegetable. Vegetable. Good. Moving on. The third word is okay. The pronounce of this word is sword. Sword. Okay, most people will say sword. Sword. No, it's wrong. It's like the W is silent. So it's going to be sword. Now, repeat after me. Sword. Sword. Good. Moving on to the next word. The fourth word is, I'm sure everyone is familiar with this word, especially if you are a gamer. Okay, to pronounce this word, it's actually gill. Gill. Okay, most people will say gill or guil. It's wrong. Okay, the U is silent. Okay, now repeat after me. Gill. Gill. Excellent. Moving on to the next word. I'm sure you are very, very familiar with this word. To pronounce this word, it's actually wood. Wood. Most people will say wood or wood. No, it's wrong. Okay? To pronounce this word, I want you to repeat after me. The correct way is wood. It's like W-U-N-D. Wood. Good. Moving on to the sixth word. To pronounce this word, it's actually very, very easy, but I want you to practice something. To pronounce this word, earth. Earth. Now, keep in mind that if you want to pronounce this word, you have to stick your tongue a little bit out. it's going to be like this. Earth. Earth. See how did I did it? Now I want you to follow after me. Okay? Repeat after me. Earth. Earth. Excellent. Moving on to the next word. I am pretty sure everyone knew this word. To pronounce this word, love. Love. Yeah, love. Most people will say love. I love you. I love you. No, it's wrong. The correct way to pronounce this word is love. Love. Good. Moving on, number 8. We have this word. To pronounce this word, follow me. Lamb. Lamb. Most people will say lamb or lamb. It's wrong. It's like the B is silent. Now I want you to pronounce it again, but without B. So it's going to be lamb. Lamb. Good. Okay, moving on to the number 9. To pronounce this word, I want you to silent the letter B. Okay, if you silent the letter B, you can pronounce the word correctly. So it's going to be plumber. Plumber. Most people will say plumber. It's wrong. Okay, the last word for today is I'm sure all of you are familiar with this word. To pronounce this word, it's actually Wednesday. Wednesday. It's like the D is silent. Okay, so it's going to be Wednesday. Most people will say Wednesday. No, repeat after me. Wednesday. Wednesday. Good. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new. See you again. And I love you. Thanks for subscribe. Thanks for the like. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new. Comment down below of what word you want me to explain. I'll see you again in the next video.